Om Shanti. Shiv Baba's sweet children asked a question to Brahma Baba. Baba says that the whole game is between Atma, Paramatma, and Prakriti. The whole game is between the soul, the Supreme Soul, and nature. Can you explain nature some more? So Brahma Baba replied, people think that nature means earth, water, fire, air, and ether. But if you want to understand nature deeply, you need to understand your own body. Then you will understand nature better. Soul is connected to nature at the root level. Both are stuck to each other. Even the connection between the Supreme Soul and soul is not so close as it is between nature and soul. Who is the master of nature? The one who is the master of nature? The one who has mastered his own sense organs and the body parts is considered to be the master of nature. Our physical body is closely connected to the soul. Anyone who wants to understand nature should understand one's own physical body. In the golden age, it is not that you order the wind to blow and it will blow. The soul which has learned to adjust the physical body according to the environment is the master of nature. The one who has the capacity to tolerate everything is the master of nature. The soul which has conquered the organs of the body is the master of nature. The soul which keeps every sense organ under its control is the master of nature. The one who maintains his body according to Shrimad, according to God's directions, is the master of nature. So someone said that includes what we eat, drink, and also our lifestyle. So Baba said yes. Suppose something is not available to you and your mind keeps craving for it, then you cannot be called master of nature. People say, God, wherever you keep me, whichever situation you place me in, I will fit myself there. But when it comes to practicality, they find it difficult to accept and adjust. When God makes them do, they fail in their test. Sometimes when offered bhog, they say they are allergic to it. Anything which has been offered to God has the capacity to remove all the negativities in you. Hence, it can remove that which causes you allergy to. Acha, Om Shanti.